Hey guys, so I am really excited about the yarn guide rings. So I kept seeing videos, and then my daughter sent me a video of one, and she's like, this would probably help you. And I was talking with a colleague of mine, and she also crochets, and she was having trouble. She had like given up crocheting because she had trouble with tension. And so I had already ordered them, and I went on Amazon and I ordered a pack, and they just were cute. I thought they were adorable. So I ordered them, and I thought, okay, let's see what happens when they come in, right? So when I got them, they came in a pack of 10, and they're a variety pack, so you get different ones. Now this one's my favorite. This one right here is my favorite. So I had already started holding my yarn a different way, looping it around my finger as I held it, rather than holding it as I used to, which was just like this. I would hold it like this as I was crocheting, and that was my control of the yarn. And that was causing me a lot of problems with my hand cramping up and worsening the arthritis effects and things like that. So anyway, these came in and I was very excited. So they came in, and there's a variety of them. So you get a couple of these peacock ones that look like this, which are adorable. You get, I think it's 3 or 4 snakes, which are still cute. They're not the norm, but they're very cute. I'm actually not a cat person. I'm a dog person. I don't mind cats. I don't have any right now. I have dogs. And so there are 3 cats. And then there's my favorite one, which I've already told you is my favorite. That's this one, my favorite one. And it's got the stone in it, as you know, and it's just cute. It's just cute. Anyway, I wear it all the time. So anyway, as you're working through the yarn, so you'll put your yarn underneath, and then you will go back around underneath the head, and then you are set. You can hold it, you can crochet, and it just works very, very well. Now, I will say you have to adjust to it, because I was not ready for it, but I didn't give up. And I realized that I even had to adjust when I was putting the yarn over my finger. It took me a little bit to adjust to that, rather than just holding it like this. And I'm sure that most people didn't ever hold it like this. I learned very young, and that's what I did. Anyway, I highly recommend these if you are having problems with tension. And they also just might even help altogether with your, if you're having pain, because it will hold the tension of the yarn for you, and you don't have to cramp. And so I think altogether, it's a win-win. Anyway, I'll put a link for the ones that I bought, and let me know what you think if you did get some yourself. Thanks. Bye.